Okay, I have this green ring, crystal, and green chalcedony earring. I want to show you. This is for green lover. So how do I look? Look. And I have another earring I'm going to show you, but this is a green ring that I want to mix with this beautiful earring. And we can also add a necklace. Let me do that. These two necklace, this one is a jade bead and crystal, and this one is also jade, and I made this with this green agate leaf shape. Let's try them and see which one can be great. That is stuck on my. Okay, what do you think? So I have this earring, this necklace, and I also made this earring. This is for who wants to have dangling, a little bit long. I added chain. It can be without chain, a little bit shorter. Let's try them and see how it looks. This earring, I just made it. And let's try the other necklace with jade. My God. By the way, look at my hair. I just added a pearl bracelet with a little cutie charm on it, on the lock, and you can even change this little beauty. So I just wanted to be playful with my jewelry and use them in some other way. What do you think? So let's now try this one. Let me see. Okay. So I prefer not to use long earring with this type of necklace. We can actually have something simple, not very long, in gold color, for example, or very small stone. If you are a green lover, don't forget to check out my entire collection of green rings, which I made it only for you green lovers, no one else. Check it out and see you soon.